Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about Suno and FL Studio, compare them and see how they're different. So with Suno, if you're unfamiliar with Suno and FL Studio and are not sure exactly what either of those two programs do, essentially what Suno is, it is AI generated music. So with Suno, you can come and you can enter in some basic information about the kind of song that you're looking for and then hit create, and Suno is going to pop out a nice little song based on the information that you enter. With FL Studio, it is much more hands-on, where you are the one in the driver's seat in terms of making the music. So it really requires you to have some understanding of a DAW, a digital audio workstation, where you're going to be going in and you're going to be recording your vocals and recording your instruments. This is different from Suno, where the AI is essentially taking you through that process. Now, how is it that the two can work in combination? Well, with Suno, oftentimes when you are creating a track, the track needs to be extended in order for it to be complete. Sometimes you'll get to the end of your track and Suno will stop around 4 minutes and then the track will just end abruptly. So what do you do with that? Well, this is where you can use a DAW like FL Studio to bring in your tracks that you've created in Suno, and you can do that by downloading your tracks. You can download that in MP3 or WAV, and once you have downloaded your track, then you can take your track into FL Studio and you can edit it together, and you can even add effects to try to mix and master your track. So that's how they're different, and that's how you can use them together. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.